Would you like to introduce yourself? Are you famous? Alright, how about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good! How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Good.
Hey, the good-looking man.
What'd you do for a peanut? Good. Can you fall down? Can you fly on the spaceship? Einstein, are we in trouble? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. Can you sing?
가장 소중한 친구의 연인이란 건 스스로도 잘 알고 있었을 텐데